Tinana on Facebook and we'll be saying Tinana, that is Prempe of
Mami Chow na me now say na me more about to be for the opportunity. We said there be am catch us aka feed in the doors until so be breast on the T station be an Akoma 87.9 ti dedi kan e be bo Akoma T for abaso na ma bo an kasa so abaso na ma catch us say nyame sha onu producer adwumaden amoye e dey board the discourse of the day-to-day activities in our country na me ba na me wo fa akwasi che he kan sem say dollar banu hu so mfa so na dollar na so atene mfa so be no nya free so mo fa kwasi chi mini ni be dia dance pefe se osore no pa e ya o yisika e de ma me maame ana se ne wife se on fa nkodwum na kwasi chi be dia dance pefe se ono na mamu na no se e ya mamu papa no and ono ne time na se Ghana ni kuta 100 Ghana cedis na so de kodwum so de kwa koto rice e Ghana ni bia ni se na emo one bag e turn approximately 120 to 150 Ghana cedis and e Ghana ni bia wuti ni msem se sa mo no ane turn 150 to 180 cedis under the NPP and nesa mo no swati aba 60 Ghana cedis Ghana ni under the NPP no ono amo anaso we di djuma o de anwa na edie na okodwum so akoto anwa approximately 1200 cedis. That was the box of oil and nesa Ghana ni no ekuta 1200 no under the NPP and ne obenya anwa more than 2 boxes. It is obetna now say yinya effect of it. It's up to you. Say akwasi chiti obedia dance say under the NPP say the name be bedru port na so okwakoyi no obenya $10,000 by virtue say na dollar ni 15 Ghana cedis in T. Na kwasi chi be dia dance say just was a Ghana sika 1.5 billion and ne John Mahama no awonye hwe no under the watch dollar ne so about at about 10 Ghana cedis. Ghana near here $10,000 needs approximately 1 billion. That is 100,000 Ghana cedis. Amemu papenti and nesikane swati from 1.5 billion to 100,000 cedis. Or say Oma FMP Ghana for FMP NPP na yaban papa. It is not true. Ghana for the first time in the history of Ghana. Okay, so like last week, yet Ghana sika $909 million, which is equivalent to 10 billion Ghana cedis. He said the interest only on domestic debt exchange program. If we say a wo we say what da say Ghana ye DSC ma na share ma ye declare che we ase nyina say yentimi ntua ye kanti yentu ye kan sheda amansi hu a esi hu no ebetimi aboa menne anka Ghana ni afa ne ntoma pefra it is so betna aban a wo buy for the first time in the history of Ghana GM Bank guye banks ahodo gu in the history of Ghana me nua ye wanim sem. It is also betna now say Ghana for afia ban we here now pese we be dino cry there e dey ache Ghana for
but okay any nyina no say the trickling down effect
be na make catch no sisi e me wo fa akwasi chi eco filling station na so kwakoto petrol under on ne watch by vet you said dollar na ba for munti no so kwakoto petrol 1 liter na approximately 15 to 16 Ghana cedis and under the watch of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama sa 1 liter no have 15 Ghana cedis. These are the effects under the NPP. So the nima be good port no say kwakoyi a wo time no to COVID-19 levy and the NDC ababe you COVID-19 levy ni dey free or head ya hurry upgrade importers. It too betna now can some BC na che say Ghana for you say one you are not serious and I say 1% obekano create. The last one is
serious.
Oh no, I'm based on the argument he's making. You understand, not his personality. You understand. Now a BMO can be something about cocoa prices. Minya Ghana for muti na madaro money under the NPP. Especially in 2023-2024 cocoa season. Omo pege na a bag of cocoa, a ton of cocoa bag or a ton of cocoa approximately $12,000. Now you see the exchange rate in 15 Ghana cedis. Now, if you multiply 15 Ghana cedis as the exchange rate by the $12,000 approximately, now we turn 1 ton of cocoa beer now we approximately 1.5 to 1.6 to 1.7 billion. within that range. Ghana for muti ni pa. Sa cocoa no ane ton $12,000 na exchange rate 15 cedis. Na NPP ko ton 1 ton no otimi ton 1.6 billion. Ya ka say 1 ton na 16 bags of cocoa na represent 1 ton. Now, if you have 1.6 billion and you divide 16 by the 1.6 billion, the actually say under the NPP no mo ko ton cocoa bag ba ku bia approximately 100 million. Eti for muti ni na say wo say adwan wo na wote ha. And why you cocoa fu and wa ba atodwe ene wati ukoko agu apaso ene obi aba ho na oba beto koko no na oba ho na obeto de 30 million no okwa no akwa akoton 100 million a me pa chonye sisie and sa koko no ane ton approximately 1.8 billion Ghana for madaro money dim sa koko no 16 bags no about $4,200 etimi ba bedru $3,800 and then exchange rate na 10 Ghana cedis the chene say and koko 16 bags na under the NPP near ton 1.8 billion and then under the NDC ye ton of 420 million eti Ghana for madaro ma say we dwedini na mrebi atwam okofa 16 bags of koko now the corner kunya 1.8 billion now bana break cocoa kwani ni 30 million ne sa cocoa 16 bags no a wo de kodwa man so unya 420 million swat more than 300 to 400%. It is all betna now outside the cocoa be politics na chese o pay man yi
so what the politics now
politics in the sense that asem na ye can we had a genuine concern. Yes, see, for be at 100 million. Now we 30 million. Yes, see. And then we stick to the promise that there is a formula in our country. And as I say, yeah, fund of 420 million. Yeah, fund of 420 million. Who divide the 420 million by 16 bags? Approximately Ghana cocoa bag would be 2,900 Ghana cedis. A buy bar, no a break cocoa crane, no 2,587. Now buy for 400 cedis. And that whole time. Ukokoton wa 100 million and now we offer 31 million. We offer 60 to 70 million. No many pana bread ni cocoa no one more no 30 million. Meaning that we cocoa creating no 28 to 30%. Now we offer 70%. It's a cheat. Meanwhile, na cocoa creating no ne ba onya cocoa scholarship. And that will now spray on cocoa mom. And ne ya introduce sane money na ekoso.
Meba, let me try my home rattle. Of meba is here.
Umbo mpenyimfu kanya womboatse de oya foto nsachiri nyipa gidan sohwe na marama po na edwuma befie mabra na maboto ho na mada hatse mo wonde ma